This video shows you how to use our advanced search feature. So, what is advanced search? Our advanced search lets you search for jobs based on your specific criteria, such as industry category, job and contract type, salary, or even company type and name. This will help you find a job that's well matched for you. You simply enter a job title or your key skills. Enter your preferred location and mile radius. Click Advanced Search. Select a job category. Select a job type. Select a contract hour type. Select a salary period along with your minimum and maximum salary. Select your preferred company type. You can even enter a specific company name if you have one in mind. Once completed, click Search and browse your filtered results.